You know what's really crazy and amazing to me is that people can tell me to my face, the doctor investor, that, doctors are kind of dumb, smart people. Like, they just don't understand how to manage their money, they don't know how to invest. And I'm like, wow, you just insulted me and all my friends and my colleagues. And it's just normal. It's like that's what everybody does. Everybody thinks like that. It's become such an accepted way of thinking. I've heard this multiple times from multiple people, and I'm just stunned each time that someone thinks like that and that they would just tell me. It's not even like they're gonna sugarcoat it, or maybe that is the sugar-coated version. And I'm tired of hearing that. I got so frustrated by hearing this stuff that I said, this is ridiculous. Doctors are smart people. We are taking care of the world. We're doing surgery and transplants. We're diagnosing heart attacks in seconds. We are obviously highly capable and efficient people. And if we don't know something about investing or business, it's because we didn't want to learn it. We don't like this stuff. We're not interested in this stuff. And I totally empathize with that viewpoint because I was like that too. I didn't want to learn this stuff. I wanted it to be just done for me. But what I realized is that if I just hand it off to someone, I'm not monitoring it. I'm not aware of what's going on. I'm not even aware if the strategy is the best strategy. I'm just basically allowing someone else to make those decisions and charge me for it, whether or not they're working for me. And that's why I had to stop. I had to let go of my financial planner, who's a longtime friend, and I respect him. I think he has, I think he's a good person. I needed to get involved. I needed to get in the mud, into the weeds, and figure it out for myself. Because if I want to be financially secure, financially independent, I've got to figure it out my own way, because what's good for someone else may not be good for me. And what was really cool about that entire experience is that I had to investigate. I had to start learning because nobody else was managing it anymore. And suddenly I had to be responsible. And this is the big word, responsibility. When we are responsible for something, we have the power to change it. And I think that's what's missing when we hire others, is that we become complacent and we give up that responsibility. And then we don't like the results and we can blame that other person because we're not responsible. We didn't do it. And that's the problem. We do need to be responsible. We do need to be accountable to ourselves, whether it's overspending, whether it's not saving enough, whether it's not investing enough, whatever it is that we are doing, we are responsible, and then we can make the changes we need. And in order to make the changes we need to get informed regarding the choices we have. And that is what the Doctor Investor is all about, is about informing you of the potential choices for your investments or your tax strategies or any of those related topics. It's actually not as complicated as it sounds. I think this is very easy and very manageable compared to all the wonderful things that you already do. And it's simply a matter of distilling this information into a manageable, efficient format. And that is what I am trying to do. Is if you want to learn through social media or YouTube, that's great. If you want to read books, or if you want to come to our events or webinars or join our community, all of these resources can be used independently or all together to help benefit you in your financial journey. So let's eradicate this concept that doctors are bad with money. We are not bad with money. We are great with money, and we are great with a lot of other things. So keep your chin up, keep trekking, and join the Doctor Investor Club and follow us on social media and YouTube. See you next time.